Hello, welcome back to another News and Nonsense with the Linux A-Team. Ben decided to come back after leaving us before. I think he was working on his Gentoo. No, but Ben is back.
It's Unity, Carmine.
Sorry, Unity. All right, Ubuntu Unity with the extended support, which is great. Ron is dropping in from Canada. Hello, Ron.
Oh, sweet Canada.
Joe is back, Anselm, of course, myself, and Dan the Man. All right, so this is just random news articles. If you are new here, we do these for fun, for a few laughs, so we can all use a few laughs, right? Yes, we can. All right. These are just random news articles. First one.
Yes.
I don't have it up, but it's in my head. Amazon's been super busy because of the pandemic and the holidays, right? Of course.
All right.
An Amazon driver had a delivery. Apparently, he was given strict instructions from the wife of the husband who the gift is for. Please don't tell my husband, So the Amazon driver knocks at the door and sees the note on the doormat. The problem is he knocks on the door and the Ring doorbell, those Ring doorbells with the webcam,
Yeah.
The husband comes on and says, "Oh, is that a delivery?" So the Amazon driver's got to think fast. He says, "No, sir, I'm just here to spread the gospel of Jesus." That guy deserves not just a raise, but a new car. Quick thinking made everybody. I think it's like a TikTok video with like 30 million views. Amazon, if you want, give that guy a new car because he did his job. I don't think it worked, but anyway, that's what he said, and that video's gone viral. So. Yes.
Oh, God.
Okay. He probably said, "Oh, Jesus, now what do I think?" Right, Jesus, right. I'm trying to spread the gospel. And anyway, good for him.
The gospel of Jesus.
Let us pray. All right. Next news. A kitten rescued after more than a week trapped in a storm drain. I like feel-good stories. I like cats and kittens. Anyway, this is in Arizona. It was trapped in the storm drain. The Arizona Humane Society posted a Facebook post. And I guess the animal's going to be okay, so good for the animal. All right. Speaking of animal, I don't know what it is with animals. We've had stories of bears stealing Amazon packages. First the humans, now the bears. What's next? Dogs, But this is in Kansas City. Police chase loose camel through Kansas City. They have camels in Kansas City?
Yeah, they can't be native to Kansas City.
I don't think so, but police said they spent the entire day. That is one fast camel. And they had a lasso. Yeah. Okay, fine. Massachusetts. That's where our friend Stephanie is from. Hi, Stephanie, if you watch this. Massachusetts company cooks the world's largest pot brownie.
Oh,
Smoke.
no.
My God, I can smell it from here.
Special brownie.
Yeah, it's the weight of this. Anybody want to take a guess on the weight?
52 pounds.
850 pounds.
Oh, my Lord.
The world's largest cannabis-infused brownie. You eat that brownie, you have to use a Steam Deck. Anyway, let's move on. But oil-covered snowy owl rescued from recycling plant in Wisconsin. To which the owl said, "Whoo, saved me." No, but again, there's something with the animals. Another animal rescued. Good for the animals, and another feel-good story. Georgia waitress gets $10,000 in tips after customer's Facebook post. A satisfied customer's social media post led to a Georgia waitress receiving more than $10,000 in tips from strangers.
Nice.
Wow.
Another feel-good story. Good for her. To my friends in Delaware, you have my sympathies because of your state legislators. Delaware replaces highway sign that misspelled state's name. The sign says Delaware.
Delaware. For your Dell computer.
For your Dell computer, shop Delaware for your Delaware. It says instead of Delaware, it says Delaware Avenue. Oops. That's
God
what it
almighty.
says. I'm not
Delaware,
I'm
the
not
heaven
picking
and
on
gone.
Delaware. That's look, President Biden's from Delaware, right? So, but anyway, let's move
You would
on.
think somebody would have to sign off on that, right?
Really?
Maybe the president said, "Oh, geez, my friends in Delaware, fix that freaking sign. You're making me look bad." Okay, let's move on. Okay, this is actually an ouch moment. It says here, this is on the Autoblog, Weird News. Watch a truck drag a car sideways as trapped driver waves for help. There's a video. A small car versus the dump truck encounter. This is last year. Oh, but then there's a new. Anyway, this is in Illinois, and the new I guess this happened last year, but the new video in Illinois, 19-year-old driver. I won't mention names. The truck driver took her 2005 Honda Accord underneath the trailer and dragged it. Ugh. The truck driver was oblivious to the dragging car, but eventually pulled over. The teenager is okay. But this happens frequently? Do truck drivers have mirrors? I don't know. But I guess she's okay. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll tell you a story later about something like that happened to me. So
Okay.
not with a semi truck, but
Okay.
with a different type.
All right. This is one last story. Wow. I guess these are true. Woman runs over husband twice because of a bowling ball. That's the
It's a
headline.
strike.
He
That's
struck
the-
out for sure.
That's one for Dan and Joe and 0 for me on this. Okay, good. According to the Kansas City, here we go, Kansas City. And then the man and the woman, both 25, were driving Saturday with the woman at the wheel when they crossed paths with the bowling ball rolling down the street. The ball got jammed beneath the car. So the man crawled out under the car in an attempt to pry it free. At that moment, a suspect approached the car, reached inside the woman's purse. She engaged a tug of war. That's why she let her foot hit the gas pedal. Oh, okay. But still, that's why she ran over her husband. Ouch!
Ouch.
When she heard him yell, she put the car in reverse and rolled over him again. Oh, man, I don't mean to laugh, but the husband was transported to hospital, has been upgraded to stable condition. Look, we're laughing, but I get it. It's not funny. It's just very rare. Once we read the whole thing, I understand what happened. So it wasn't intentional. So to that family, husband and wife, hope he's going to be okay. But man, that's very bad luck, to say the least. That's it for this news and nonsense. We'll try to do another one or two before the new year already. If not, all my friends out there on the interwebs, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Take care.
Right?